Hey guys, welcome to Life of Claire. Welcome back to my channel. My glasses are distracting me. I'm going to take them off. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today is a very special video. It is a collab with SannettiLovesMakeup. She is a longtime YouTube friend, and she is honestly amazing. One of the most sweetest and most genuine people I've ever met, especially on YouTube and in the kind of beauty world, and we've actually collabed a couple times before, and I'll link those collabs down below. But I feel like this is slowly becoming a tradition where every Valentine's Day we collab together and yeah, we create a look. This year her and I are collabing again, which I'm super excited about. She's super sweet, man, I'm telling you. If you guys do not know of her, please go ahead and check her information out down in the description bar, and I'll actually pop like a card or a tag or something on the screen for you guys to click on her channel and check her stuff out and subscribe. But yeah, so we decided to collab today and do a Valentine's Day look using the exact same palette. So we are doing two looks using one palette, and it's going to be the Jaclyn Hill palette, of course. Now this is still available for sale, so it's perfect. Actually, you can find it at Ulta, online, Morphe. So if you don't have it, don't fret. If you don't have the money to buy it, don't worry about that either. If you have similar colors, just go ahead and take what you have. And yeah, let's go ahead and do some makeup together. This video is going to be a little bit different though. I'm still kind of getting over being sick, and my husband is sick and sneezing all the time, and I'm coughing all the time. So I'm just going to go ahead and do like music over the tutorial, and I'll definitely link everything that I've used down below. If you aren't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. If you're a new follower from either coming over from Sannetti's channel or just happen to stumble upon my video, hi. Thank you so much for clicking on it. My name is Clarissa, and friends and family call me different variations of that, Clarissa. But yeah, anyways, thank you again for stopping by. I hope you stick around and join my little family. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into this video. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. I do not know what I'm doing, to be honest. I've been looking at this palette and I'm like, man, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do for Valentine's Day? And honestly, I really want to use the purple. Let's just wing it. I'll show you guys what I'm using on the screen and we'll just go from there.